Hi, welcome to my first video on Pokemon Master. Hope you like, comment down below, and turn both notifications on, and subscribe to my channel. My sister Slime Chris.
Hi, it's Alfie. You forgot to drop my iPad on my finger. Anyway, yes, I have a YouTube channel and it is called Slimy Slime. On my channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications and like my videos. And once you've done all that, comment down below on my videos and tell me you've done all that. And then you can have a shout out in my video. I'm going to do some shout outs now in a minute. But first of all, I want to say that I'm going to be doing a Q&A as well. So on one of the videos, just comment down below on one of the videos some questions and I will do that.
Yeah. So you're going to be doing shout outs and I'm going to be spinning my fidget spinners.
Right, so Oliver, again, don't talk the show on because I've got to talk and I've got about 2 minutes, okay?
Okay, let's go!
Let's get into the video.
Ooh.
Okay, here we go. Stevie Miller, The Ohana Adventure, The Wessie Life, Scott and Camber, The Rich Life, Carla Tova, Ace Family, Georgia Yorkie, Mint Music, which is just piano lessons because I'm learning how to play piano. Duncan and Alyssa, which is basically a dog. Tanner Fox, Lance Stewart, Lizzie Rust, or Lizzie Rust, I'm not quite sure it is, sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Taylor Alyssa, Simon and Kate, Robin Birrell, Morgs' mum, my cousin, William Bailey, Sand Tagios, Christmas Songs and Carols, Kiddy OK, I've only got that on there because I've got a little cousin and she loves to listen like to Nursery Rhymes and stuff like that. So I've just subscribed to it so then she can just go onto it and just listen to all the songs she wants. Kawaki Toy Collector, Sing Song Karaoke, Yowie Vlogs, Carly and Connor, Organic Health, Wealth by Simon, Sis vs Bro, The New Adam B99, The Johnson Family, they are amazing, Morgs, Summers in Alaska, TSMC Minecraft, Nabroto, my PSA Pokemon, Durium's Pokemon, Tannerite, Don Vlogs, Kelly Maple, and Ruby Rube. So yes, you are all you guys just all had a shout out in my video.
On my video.
Well, yeah, I did shout out, so I'm going to do again on my video. So, but it's not. I'm going to show you mine as well. So let's go. These are my ones that I'm showing on mine. Ones that he's showing on his. Comment down below on this one what animal you think it is. I think it's a panda, but Oliver doesn't, so.
I do. I think it's a panda. Or kind of not. I think it's like a...
I don't know what it is.
It's like a red panda.
If it is a panda, I've got to hide it, because my nan loves pandas, so.
Does she?
Yeah.
What nan?
Nanny Linda.
Does she?
Yeah.
I never knew that. Oh shoot, my entire fidget spinners just come apart.
Oh. I hurt my finger. By the way, I've got all cases in mine, so.
You haven't seen this?
Oh, no. Bye bye, guys. I'm going to be doing some more videos. I'm doing
how to do a fidget spinner.
Oh my God.
Do a bearing. How to build a video in that as well. How?
And also there's going to be a video.
How to build a fidget spinner.
There's going to be a video.
Put the bearing in.
There's going to be a video. Wait, stop. I'm going to be doing another video at the end of 6 week holiday because I'm in primary school. I'm in secondary school.
Primary school.
Teasing primary. But if you don't know our ages, I am 13. I am going on to 14 in September. He is 9, going on 10 in November. And I'm in year 9. We're going into year 9 now. And my brother is going into year 5 now. 5.
4.
He's going into 5.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, so, and with his school, they supply everything for him, but with my school, I have to bring everything. So me and my mum are doing a back to school, and they're back to school day out in Montford. And I'm going to be getting all my stuff like the new school bag.
I need a new lunchbox, but mine all smells like yogurt and stuff.
So yeah, wait for that. And also, I know another 2, they're quite way away yet. 1 in September, because it's my birthday in September, so I'm going to be doing me opening my presents in the morning, and then 1 in the afternoon, opening my presents.
I'm doing a vlog with my
birthday. Unfortunately, my birthday lands on a Monday, so yeah.
When is my birthday party? I'm gonna do
and then also in December, which we don't need to know yet, in December I'm doing it on Christmas. I'm going to be doing my video opening my morning presents. I won't be able to do the ones that I'm having after, like when I go to my dad's, because I'm going to my aunt's then. And my aunt, yeah, and no, we know.
I might not be able to take my camera into the cinema, so I might have to skip that part. Fine,
Yeah, just video it like outside and then stop. And then when you get back outside again, do it again.
But then I'm definitely going to be filming when we get to McDonald's.
Yeah. But the thing is, you got to watch it. You got to be watching. Yeah, I won't be there, guys, for that because the boys stay out and then come back for a disco. Dad's.
Sorry, that one.
Let me think. What was I just saying? Oh yeah, you got to be careful with that because you've got to get permission from everyone's mum and dad.
No, just me. Do it for me. If they say no, I'll do it for me.
I have to ask them.
Yeah, I will. I'll ask them because I'm doing a YouTube video on there.
Ask when you go back to school.
Probably not.
But I've got 3 back ones, guys, so I'm just going to show one.
Well, we know Vicky and we know Alfie's channel and we know Shell, so obviously.
No, I've only got to think because I don't think Reese will be able to go on it.
Yeah, I don't think Reese will be able to go on it. Alfie definitely will because he's been a YouTuber soon. So Alfie definitely
Yeah, Alfie will. Ethan might. I don't know about Ben.
Ben and Reese might not be able to. So
Ben and Reese, yeah, Ben and Reese might not be able to.
So they might have to stay over there and me and Alfie stay over here.
Yeah, it's going to be a bit mean. I've got an emoji one, guys, so I'll pick this one out for Christmas. If I'm trying to do it quickly because we're going out soon, so. We're going to my friend Wendy's, so literally around the corner, so.
Right, we have to be quick. Oh, what's that thing?
I know, it's fashion, so it's not when I hurry up as well. That's just a Fidget cube, guys. So I'm not showing that. When I get back, I'm going to be showing. When we get back, I'm going to be showing you all my ones. So watch that. I'm going to be showing you all my squishes because, like, I don't care for my baby. I just like showing my squishes and stuff. The only thing, because obviously I'm a lot older now, I like picking up my Christmas and birthday presents because like I like makeup and clothes and stuff.
Still trying to do our bears and everything.
Yeah, no, but the only thing that I do get a bit babyish is these because these are like, they're cute, they're fluffy. I like fluffy things. I like sleeping fluffy things and soft things. And I just like collecting them. I've got loads of them. See, look, I've got loads of them behind me. See that one?
Shop.
That's not. That's a mushroom. That one there, the one with the blue bit, that's a mushroom. That's not one. So yeah.
Threw it in sugar, but it still works. Best figure spin ever. I like them. But I like this one.
Our hair colour is blue, guys. Comment down your one. As you can see, I've got a blue room. The first 2 of my videos might be my older room where it was pink and stuff. But I might be wrong.
My sweatpants.
You're not good dressed, you see. Even in his pyjamas, I'm just, guys. I've got this nice blue.
Spider-Man.
Blue? This nice white.
Spider-Man.
This nice white top with some.
Comment down below if you're a fan of Spider-Man.
Denim jeans and denim shorts.
Comment down below if you're a fan of Spider-Man. Because I certainly am, because I've got one here.
Also, on my one, guys, can you comment down below some things that I can do? Because like, I never know what you guys like. So if you just comment down things that I'll do it all.
Done!
We're going to be doing a 3 AM video together one.
No, we're not.
Why?
You can do it yourself. Why?
He's scared.
So are you.
If I'm scared, why am I doing it?
What the hell?
Right. It's really, I've got to be really quick now, guys. Because I've still got loads. Not loads and loads, but I've got.
I'll help you in a second.
It just put me this away. I've got Captain America, guys.
I'm gonna keep this one out so then I can show you at the end of the video.
Oh yeah, we want it.
I'm terrible at zooming, by the way.
Oliver he might have shown you one of these that's silver because we've got the same bit. He's got silver, I've got purpley pink.
See right here. Here it is.
This is my favourite one, guys. Look at that. You don't know what that is? That's a peacock. With nice, you know them like birds that have nice, really big, beautiful wings.
My hands are fidget in a collection.
I've got a Spider-Man one as well.
Oh gosh, you still got loads. Oh, what it's called one.
I've got some like boring ones now, so I might just skip them. I don't know. I've done that one.
Have you?
Yeah. Don't break it. I've got this like really small one there.
Look at that one on camera.
Oopsie. Yeah, I've done it already.
Looks sick.
Look how big this one.
I'm not even doing it.
I've already done that one.
And I'm just having a look at it. Queen Doge. We've got blue, green, orange, green, pink. I don't know.
Oh, hello, just chuck it on the floor. You probably should do one of these as well.
Spin. I don't know why we're doing this. It's 2018, but we're just doing it for no reason.
Doing what? This?
Yeah, because it's 2018. These are in 2017. I don't care.
We've had this for ages. This was his. He gave this to me.
That was my first one. Then I gave it to her because I had to.
Small one.
Yeah.
My friend gave me the small ones as well.
Sapphire.
Nope, another friend.
Alex. Was it Alex? Was it Alex?
No, I haven't seen Alex in ages.
Yeah. Have you still remember my inflatable afternoon at the school?
Yeah, it's the last time I saw him.
Oh. Hey, that's mine. Mother.
I've got another red one, guys.
Sorry, there you go. Give me that. I meant to show this one. She stole it off me.
I didn't really borrow that ages ago.
You never gave it back.
I've got this one like
There's my entire Fidget collection. Holy Jesus, that's a load. But you got this one on its own. I'm going to show you in a second. Yeah, that one's LED. Mine was broken, so I dropped mine in the bin. I had a green one, but it broke, so I had to chuck it in the bin.
I've got a really nice blue pink, like really nice luminous pink one.
Yeah, I've got the blue one, I've got the pink one.
See, look, got this Batman.
Blue one, pink one.
Got this white one.
When did
I think we're gonna get this done. I think we're just gonna get this done.
When did I get this?
Ages ago.
This is what hey, I got
The last one, guys, this one. I think.
Oh my god, that went quick.
Hang on, I think this one's let me check. Yeah, it's the last one, guys.
Yep, so now guys, it is time for you guys to see how I can do this. There you go. While she packs these away, I'm going to show you how to do this.
Hang on,
But I need to focus now, don't I?
I know.
Right, that was just my mum.
Yeah, don't worry. We're going to wait a minute. So he needs to get back.
Oh, both videos going to be done in a second. Turn away. Quickly, come on. Oh, don't collect them on. That's mine.
Huh? No, I have one as well. We both have one. I don't know where yours is, but we both have one. We won a thing.
Right, time to show you how this spins on the floor. Lego. Right, here we go. She spins it. Look at this.
No, you don't have the drawers.
Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Right, roll it on the floor. 3, 2, 1, go. How cool is that? How cool is that?
On it again, guys, for you who didn't see.
It's there. It rolls on the floor. I don't think you spun it really quick. Right, do it again. Go. Woo! How cool is that?
So, I'm going to do your outro.
I hope you enjoyed this